Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into dynamic arm raises. Inhale, sweep your arms forward and up. Exhale, lower your arms, sweeping back. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, increasing circulation through your upper body, stretching through your arms and shoulder joints. Adding on, inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting through your right leg. Exhale, lower your arms and leg, repeating on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. For more of a challenge, adding a leg extension. Continue flowing with this movement, sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center. Continue flowing at your own pace, sitting tall, keeping your navel back towards your spine, adding a toe touch. Reach opposite hand to leg, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.